Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify and customize storefront UI with sections, full guide step by step clearly. To install Shopify, begin by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button on the home page. Fill in your email address, password, and store name in the registration form. Click Create Your Store to proceed. Shopify will then guide you through the setup process. Provide details about your business, including your address and phone number. Once you complete the setup, you'll be taken to the Shopify admin dashboard. To access the theme options, click on Online Store in the sidebar. Next, select Themes from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see your current theme and can explore other options. Click on Explore Free Themes to browse available themes. Choose a theme that fits your brand and click Add. This will install the theme to your store. Once installed, click Customize to enter the theme editor. In the theme editor, you have access to multiple sections of your storefront. Look for the Sections panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you can add, remove, or rearrange sections. To add a new section, click on the Add Section button. Choose the type of section you want, like images, collections, or text. Once selected, customize the content as needed. Use the right panel to adjust layout, colors, and fonts for each section. To reorder sections, simply drag and drop them in the desired order. Preview your changes frequently to see how they look in real time. If you're satisfied with the layout, click Save to apply your changes. Your storefront is now set up and customized to reflect your unique brand identity. Continue to explore additional settings and options to enhance your store further. Remember to check for updates and new themes regularly to keep your storefront fresh. Congratulations on setting up and customizing your Shopify store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.